There's the next set. Yeah, Lily's just kicking it over there, waiting to push hers out. Whoop. Hey, hyper one. Hey, hyper ones. What are you doing? You just curious what's going on? Call him, Mom. I don't think you're going to go through that wall. Hey, poopy butt. Hey. 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 Meh. Yeah, that's what I say. And somebody's just loving on her babies over there. You love your babies? What a good mama you are. Amazing. What a good mama you are. You loving on your babies? Hmm? Are you loving on them? I'm trying my best. You want to see yourself? Hmm? What are you doing, hypers? Where'd my other little family go here? I think we're going to let the other crew out before it rains. Come on, Mama. Y'all want to come outside? Come on. Come on. You got to get your babies to come out now, too. Come on. I know you're not going to miss that. Oh, you went the wrong way. You can't face the wall. Come on. Come on. Yep, there you go. Yeah. You got the water figured out? That's amazing. And you just want to keep eating the dirt. What do we do with this big old thing? And who are you? You're going to bother Aunt Lily? Don't worry about it, Lily. I'm not coming to bug you. I'm just making sure we don't have any surprises. Seriously? You found a tent? Christmas Eve. December 24th, 2025. You can pee all you want, little girl, but just don't go near the fence. What are you doing, Chomp Chomp? Just getting you a snack. The other snackers. Hi, Mama. Do you want to go in your pen, Lily? Come on, Lily. Hey. You definitely ain't supposed to be in there. Well, I guess you can drink some water if you want. We gotta fill up that water. I didn't even think about closing that door. You ain't staying in there, that's for sure.